1. What is the difference between positive and negative correlation? Answer. Following are the differences between positive and negative correlation. 1. Positive correlation. It is a relationship between two variables in which both variables move along the same direction. In other words, when one variable is directly proportional to the other variable. An example of positive correlation would be height and weight because taller people usually have more weight. 2. Negative correlation. It is a relationship between two variables in which both variables move in opposite direction. In other words, when one variable is inversely proportional to the other variable. An example of negative correlation would be height above sea level and temperature. As you climb the mountain, increase in height, it gets colder, decrease in temperature. 2. What is the need of storytelling in different organizations? Answer. In business, companies that can tell their story effectively have a better chance at success. Because a well-told success story can make the difference between a sale and a wasted call. The more customer stories there are, the easier it is for a prospect to be convinced. 3. What is the meaning of causation in statistics, and how is it different in case of legal proceeding? Answer. 1. Causation indicates a relationship between two events, where one event is affected by the other. In statistics, when the value of one event, or variable, increases or decreases as a result of other events, it is said that there is causation. 2. Causation, in legal terms, refers to the relationship of cause and effect between one event or action and the result. It is the act or process that produces an effect. In a personal injury case, one must establish causation, meaning that it is not enough to show that the defendant was negligent. The negligence must be what caused the injuries of the complaint. 4. In each of the three cases given below, determine what is the cause and what is the effect. Question 1. A tornado blew the roof off the house, and as a result, the family had to find another place to live. Answer. Cause, tornado. Effect, the family had to find another place to live. Question 2. Because the alarm was not set, we were late for work. Answer. Cause, alarm was not set. Effect, late for work. Politician made a rude comment about ladies going out, so public of the area assembled and hit him. Answer. Cause, a rude comment was made by the politician. Effect, public of the area assembled and hit the politician. 5. What are the three rules that causal statements must follow? Answer. Causal statements must follow three rules. 1. Visibly show the cause and effect relationship. 2. Use specific and correct descriptions of what occurred instead of negative and unclear words. 3. Identify the preceding system cause of the error rather than the human error. 6. What do you understand by narrative hook? What is its importance? Answer. A narrative hook is a literary approach in the opening of the story that grasps readers' curiosity and develops their interest in reading. It is the opening sentence in the book that forms the basis of the story ahead. It is imperative to establish a narrative hook for building a good story. 7. Explain the two types of causation. Answer. There are two types of causation, cause in fact, and proximate cause. 1. Cause in fact, it is also known as actual cause. For example, when a bus strikes a car, the bus driver's actions are the actual cause of the accident. 2. Proximate cause, it also means legal cause. It is therefore recognized by the law as the primary cause of the injury. It may not be the first event that set in motion a sequence of events that caused the injury. It may also not be the very last event before the injury occurred. It is rather an action that produced anticipated repercussions without interference from anyone else. In this case, the plaintiff will have to show that the injuries were the direct repercussion of the proximate cause, without which the injuries would not have occurred.